What is the Fair Credit Reporting Act (FCRA)? Know your rights before it's too late. In this video, we'll explain the Fair Credit Reporting Act (FCRA) and your rights as a consumer. Understanding these rights is crucial for protecting your financial health. The Fair Credit Reporting Act (FCRA) is a federal law designed to promote accuracy, fairness, and privacy in consumer reporting. It regulates how consumer reporting agencies collect and use your personal information. Here are some key rights granted to you under the FCRA. You have the right to access your credit report. You can dispute inaccuracies in your credit report. You can request a security freeze to protect your credit. Accessing your credit report is essential for monitoring your financial health. You can obtain a free copy of your credit report once a year from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. Disputing inaccuracies is a vital step if you find errors in your report. You can file a dispute directly with the credit bureau or the company that provided the information. They are required to investigate and respond within a specified time frame. Placing a security freeze can help prevent identity theft. This means creditors cannot access your credit report without your consent. You can lift the freeze temporarily when applying for credit. Thank you for watching this video. For more information and assistance, visit us at www.FCRAcreditreport.com.